Hi. In this video, we'll show you how to import and export WooCommerce product categories using the WebToffee product import-export plugin. From the WordPress dashboard, go to WebToffee Import-Export Pro and select Import. Choose product categories as the post type to import category data separately into your WooCommerce store. Next, select the import method. Here, we'll use the advanced import option, which gives more control over the import process. Choose the import source and upload the CSV file that contains the product category details. Next, review the import column mapping. In this step, you can match the columns from your CSV file with the corresponding WooCommerce product category fields. You can also edit the column names if needed. If you are using a pre-saved template, the previously saved mapping preferences will be applied automatically. In the Advanced Options screen, choose what should happen if the category already exists in the store. You can either skip the existing category or update it. Click Import or Schedule to start importing the product categories. Once the import is complete, the plugin shows the import progress along with the successfully imported categories. You can also view the imported categories directly from the WooCommerce product categories section. That's it! You have successfully imported WooCommerce product categories using the WebToffee product import-export plugin. Now, let's see how to export WooCommerce product categories. Go to WebToffee Import-Export Pro and select Export. Choose product categories as the post type and continue. Next, select the export method. You can use Quick Export to export the basic category fields, or choose Advanced Export for more control over filters, mapping, and export options. In the filter step, you can choose which product categories should be included in the export. Then review the export column mapping. You can rename, remove, or reorder the columns based on how you want the exported file to appear. In the final step, enter a file name, choose the export file format, and select the delimiter. Click Export to download the product category data. The exported file will include the WooCommerce product category details, which you can use for backup, editing, or importing into another store. That's it. Thanks for watching.